Ladies and gentlemen, Lero, in this episode, I have got an interesting guest, somebody that is missing in action, and his name is Professor John Chisi. Professor Chisi, welcome to Face Podcast.
I like the introduction. It's quite a very... thank you very much for the introduction. Yeah. Thank you for having me today. Mm-hmm. Let's see what we can do. I'm fine, as you can see. Mm-hmm. I'm okay.
Okay. So, Professor Chisi, pomwe mulipa mumazwika m'magawo awiri. John Chisi, the medical doctor. Yeah, someone that is in the medicine profession. Komanso mazwika ngati munthu amene Ndale anachitapo nthawi nake. Soti ndikalenso ya.
Asana chitapo akuchitapo.
Kuti machitapo Ndale.
Nikadali member wa MCP tu paja msaiwali.
Yes.
Sinachoka mu MCP na MCP ndikadali member.
Yes, komano mena nena kuti there are two portions of Professor John Chisi. Timafati invesese kuti china kupangisa ntani kuti muyambe Ndale.
Ndale ndi moyo wa anthu tu. Ukakhala munthu oti umamva kuwawa ndi zimene zikuchitika pa moyo wako kapena zochitika ndi anthu ena umafuna utengepo gawo kuti zinthu zimene zikupangika izo zikhale bwino chifukwa anthu amene amakhala ndi mphamvu yayikulu pa moyo wathu ndi anthu andale mabajeti osewa misongo timapereka mabajeti osewa kuti khali ndi masukulu kapena misewu kapena zipatala zonse zina anthu andale chifukwa amapita ku parliament kumene amapanga mabajeti ndiponso mukauza anthu ambiri amene ali ma executive officers amalephera kupanga zambiri mbiri chifukwa amati treasury sinapange chakuti koma treasury imakhala ndi minister of finance so minister of finance amakhaso koma so choti muziwa chakuti anthu andale ali ndi mphamvu yayikulu kwambiri pa moyo wathu chifukwa president akanena kuti apapangidwe msewu matheka chifukwa iye ali ndi mphamvu zotenga makhobi mziko kapena kunja kwa ziko Malawi ili ndeti timati ngongole zambiri zimene jasinapange ndife anapanga ndi ya president kapena anthu andale amene anaona mabajeti wakuti pena pakusowekera tikongole uku koma chimene wakongolera icho chimakhala chinthu choti chikufuna moyo wanthu utetezedwe mungaposa chedu apo tosefe tikuziwa kuti panali vuto achimanga a president apita nangobwera chimanga chinakapezeka nthawi yonse kunalibe koma chinakapezeka ku Zambia kuzira mwayiwo kutenga ngongole njira zosiyanasiyana zimene zawo sanati so choziwika nchakuti ngati Ndale simukutenga serious kapena kundale kulibe anthu amene ali masomphenya okwanira dziko li silimayenda koma anthu amasomphenya kwambiri zimene zimadabwisa kuti anthu ophunzitsa kwambiri chifukwa kuti umunthu uthe secondary school university that means would abstract planning koma ndimadabwa kuti anthu amene ophunzitsa kwambiri samafuna Ndale koma iwo ndi amene ali ma solutions anthu amene sanapite ku sukulu sangakhale nawo ndiye zimakhala zodabwisa kwambiri kuti anthu akamaphunzira kwambiri amatine Ndale ayi koma Ndale kumene chifukwa akanakhala kusakupanga abstract thinking sakanaphunzira amene anaphunzira chifukwa kuti ino muphunzire bwino university ma calculus aja ma algebra aja mapaka university aja that's very tough they require you to think beyond ndiye ma solution amapezeka ndanu ngati amenewo ndiye anzathu akumaiko akunja munga malo ngati ku Britain kapena ku France amene autuka kapena ngakhale China komwe musaona kuti anthu amene akupanga Ndale ndi anthu amene ali ma degree ya political science mukamva kuti achina Johnson ma prime minister ku Britain kale anali Cambridge anapanga kale ma degree ya political science amapita university kapanga degree ya political science PhD ya political science ndi kujoin chipani ndi kupanga za chipani ndi kutukula ziko so ife zimene zilibe ndiye vuto ndimene loti anthu ambiri amene akuthandiza Ndale masomphenya alibe amakhala anthu kuti mwina ngati aphunzira kwambiri apita university koma not beyond there koma so anthu ambiri university apiteso na ku secondary school basi kuti analephera kupita university koma ni mphamvu zambiri zoti agazizatu koma analephera ndithu kupita beyond that education ndiye zimakhala zosowa kuti dziko litukuke kapena lipite pamwamba chichonseso anthu amene ani abstract thinkers anthu amene akapange plan bwino sakufuna kujoina Ndale yeah so zimene zimapangisa munthu ukanze kuti ine paziko lapasi pano anabwera chani what is it what chifukwa chani Mulungu anandipasa matalent amene andipasa Mulungu anandipasa matalent kuyambira kuni kuise ntchito paziko lapasi pano ndipo ntchito paziko lapasi pano ine nditukuka poyamba chifukwa sine mphawi chifukwa cha matalent amwewo koma kuti ndikhale mene ndili ndifuna anthu ena ndikuyeso manja chifukwa masala amene ndikulandira kuchoka kwa anthu ena chichonse mene ndikupanga anthu ena amatenga pogawo ndi anthu aja amakupasaso zimene ukufuna so ukhoza kukhala matalent osiyanasiyana koma ngati anthu ena sautenga pogawo matalent alibe ntchito so tosefe tindi udindo woti tikamaphunzira kapena tikamakhala ndi abstract thinking tiyenera ndikati abstract thinking nena kuti kuona zinthu zimene anthu ena sakuona example imene ndingapereke pano yabwino ndi yakuti example yabwino kamuzu akubwera kunalibe anthu ophunzira university kunalibe university omwe anapanga ndi Kamuzu paja kunalinso Chile imene anapanga ndi azungu komanso masiku 7 analibe ndiye amafuna apeza anthu aziphunzitsi apeza anthu ku polisi apeza anthu ku agriculture apeza anthu ku forestry koma analibe anthu amenewo ndiye anapanga plan anakuti okay tikhale ndi ma exit strategy a sukulu okwana atatu so poyamba anayamba sandi 5 exam kuti apange apeze anthu amene akhoza kulema mayeso under pressure koma sakhoza pita sandi 6 so that amene alephera abweze sandi 5 koma inali yoona kuti mukampasa mwana pepara lochokera ku envelope la chizungu kuti alembe uli manage ndiye tosefe amene nali nthawi ya Kamuzu kuti pita sandi 6 nakhoza mayeso boma preparing us kuti pita sandi 8 azonga anani ma Cambridge awo koma Kamuzu anabwera sandi 8 sandi ndi mayeso boma kupita form 1 ndiye form 1 uja amatenga anthu ambiri let's say Dev secondary school amatenga anthu okwana 120 koma because amafuna anthu maziphunzitsi anthu ku polisi manjosiyana ba form 3 anthu amatenga 40 onse aja amene akhoza aja amachosa kuti apite kukagwira ntchito so that exercise was working for him ndiyo kufika form 4 kupita university amatenga anthu ochepa mwina awiri kapena atatu chifukwa samafuna kuti university ipange extend kwambiri nthawi imeneyo chichonse amafuna anthu amene they have gone through all this apita ku university akhale aziphunzitsa zawo komanso ayang'anirezo koma enawo mpite ku ntchito so you see kuti under Kamuzu the education system was sandi 5 exam sandi 8 exam form 2 exam form 4 exam and then university ku university amawidaso nkhani he was trying to create an elitist group ife tatenga zomwe zija sinasinthe chifukwa panopo zikufunika chifukwa nthawi ya Kamuzu kunalibe ma private schools that's why ndimana kuti okay nthawi ino zama elitist zichoke chifukwa anthu ambiri aja amafunika because Kamuzu need civil servants now we don't need that we need anthu amene angapange fertilizer that was not the pressure of Kamuzu anthu anali 3 million yoka ndiyo fertilizer waptikemu kapena amene wapanga makwana was only 3 million 4 million so it was not an issue and Kamuzu was able to create zina zake zimene anthu ambiri olephera kupanga create kuno because he had but we have kept that system that's why inati mabwera kuti pamene pa primary school ke secondary school pompo ana aziyamba sandi 1 mpaka form 4 osasankhidwa kapena osalepheredwa kapena ongopita straight this you find if you go to St Andrews private schools maskulu azungu ana amafika sandi 7 sandi 6 sandi 7 amangopita straight they don't have an exam koma ife tulembe ana exam ana akhoza osatalephera mandimasiya kumbuyo ndiye mundiuze inuyo ndimakuchani mklasi koma nthawi yakale district yanu ndina ine yanga ndina ndikale mama Yesu kupita form 1 ina kusankhana kunchewu kapena kumangochi kapena kwina kwake ina asankhira group competition yosiyana kwambiri kotero kuti ine ndimakuchinyani inuyo kwa mchwana chokera group sinisankhidwa inu mpita ku secondary school ndiye mkamabwera ku nyumba ndikukondani mkamabwera pa holiday ine ndi Sunday 8 inu ndi form 1 mkamabwera pa holiday tigwirizana nkhani tigwirizana tikona napo ndiye mukudabwa bwanji kuti amalawi ndi sanje mudabwa bwanji kuti amalawi ndi anthu asanje yeti makondana nkhani imambira pati
Professor Chisi ndimafuna ndikutengeni pang'ono kuchidwi chanu pa Ndale you repeatedly refers Zina Zambiri mkamakamba nkhani za Ndale makonda kupanga refer kwambiri nthawi ya Kamuzu panda this Kamuzu panda that now as a person that we have known kuti you are a politician in these modern times koma ndinu munthu wamvula zakale ndanthu timakhala mazifunsa kuti chifukwa chani Professor Chisi kalekalero sadajoyina nawo Ndale nthawi ya one party system
nali mwana I was in primary school you have to understand kuti ineyo ku secondary school ninapita 1980 koma sina kwa school ya boma kopanda kupita ku seminary katolika ine sindikanaphunzira ine nakhoza kupita ku form 1 nakhoza masamu chizungu ndi religion ni Maria mimwayi wa Yesu zinthu ngazimenezo za katolikazo marozare zinthu ngazimenezo ba corona ja zimene nakhoza ine kupita ku secondary zinthu ziwiri basi koma zinthu zimene zinali different ziwiri ndiye nayamba form 1 so Kamuzu by that time he was already in power there's no way I would have done politics ndiye nkhani yaikulu inali yakuti ineyo napita ku seminary maphunzira mene maphunzira anthu ena komanso zambiri za Chikristu ndiye Chikristu inandipaka mod at that age ndiye 1984 nasankhidwa kupita ku Chancellor College Chancellor inakhala kwa zaka ziwiri Kamuzu now is in his peak ma 80s ine ndi kusukulu nafika pamenepo nazafika kuti 1986 nasankhidwa kupita ku Britain kapanga udokotala. So from 1986 to 1990 napanga degree yanga yoyamba. Kamuzu is in his prime inami ku school. From 90 to 92 nili ku London, University College London. Mwana wa school be. 92. Don't forget Kamuzu na mwana 1997. 92 ndili ku Britain ndikupanga degree ya chiwiri. Imene zaza siza ku 1993 I became a medical doctor. 1995 na join a College of Medicine ngati mphunzitsi. Napita so ku school kumene nakapanga so PhD imene nasiza 1998 graduated 1999 namba ntchito yeniyeni 2000. So ndikanatheka bwanji kundi kalendale koma chichonsecho ndimafuna at that time ndione mene ndilili munthu wake chifukwa nkhani ya Ndale kunalibe. Nthawi imeneyo it was a normal profession, munthu akupanga udokotala koma akuphunzitsa madokotala. And I did this. So 2003 nasanduka senior lecturer. 2006 nasanduka associate professor. 2012 nasanduka full professor. We invest. So me, I'm a full professor of experimental pathology. So what point would I have done politics? Panalibe chifukwa nali busy kupanga moyo wanga wathupi ndikuzero zikule ndizindikire zinthu zambiri. Chimene ndipangisa Ndale sopano zomwezo mukunena kuti tili ku sukulu ana mabisana mabuku. You see, buku ndi limozi library. Koma kubisana why? They're scared akwina akaiwerenga akukhoza iwo alephera. So panalibe dongoso pani competition au chisiru ije kuti anthu awo comments ina inyo ati talent. Mulungu anandalisa. What I've told you kuti school yanga I've never struggled. Ngakhale mabuku aja sowe kapena sowe ine ndimamva zinthu zimayenda. Koma ndana anthu ena they need those books more than me. Koma timabisana. Why? Timaba kuti akhoza ine sindikhoza. Zimene ndikunenazo sanje. And that sanje continues. Even if you go kuma ministry whatever you see kuti anthu sakugwirizana chifukwa alese makopa mabwana chani. Munthu amene amakhala masuka Malawi munomu. Pachichonse confident people. Koma mbiri mwa ifiti ndi mantha. Ndiye because wa kodi mantha. Zinthu zambiri timabanga mwa mantha timaopa. Ndale zikasintha nchosa ntchito. Ndiponso Ndale aja mapaka chimozimozi. Akangosintha amachosa anthu. Everybody is worried about their own life. Ndi join chipani ichi, ndipite uku, not to be yourself. You know, people don't think of it. And almost anyone who is in position of power in this country is politically affiliated. But they are professional for the sake of profession. Singateke chifukwa vindictiveness. Kusakondana kumene. Kuma unayambira ku primary school, secondary school. Nowhere else. Yes.
Now, tipange touch a little bit on umodzi pade. Munaziwika ngati munthu mmodzi amene anali ndi mfundo zake ndithu, very unique type of political ideologies. Ndi chipani cha
I've just told you about one of them is Mendana
you seem to be ideological. Yes, so munkaziwika kuti munali ma ideologies anu ndi chipani cha umodzi. Komabe the fact that you have never been given have kuti mulamulire dziko, it simply means kuti pena pake something was amiss and Malawi sanamvesese ma ideologies anu. Ndipati pamene ni muona kuti I think Malawi ineyo nasemphana nawo pena pake kona mwina samati basa voti yoti kanatha kutika pampando kawo president wa dziko.
I'm saying nervous. I've not been neglected. Also to the city pena pake. Nakha board chair I mean we council for so many years. And so Ndale zomwe. You see, serving in the nation is not chinu chimozi. It's a combination of things. So as a doctor, non-private clinic yaka kulimbe it saved a lot of people. You find kuti pali ana panopo amenda akulu amanena kuti ndili mwana munandithandiza panopo ndili moyo. So I'm happy. Okay? Come you have to understand politics.
Yeah.
Politics, whether you are in America or South Africa, wherever it is not a game of intellectuals. Most of the people who vote are not intellectuals. They are one point minded. That's why apita nango na nupa chimanga eti right. That was it, because people are thinking of bigiri chimanga. So you can talk to them about education. They've never been educated in the mayu. So anale pedagogik school, so they don't care. What do you tell them which is going to develop the nation? They are not interested. What they're interested in is what are they benefiting now. So whether you go to America, you find you are going to have Trump and his Democrats, then you are going to have in South Africa issues of xenophobia. All these things are because a majority of people are not planners. They're not interested in planning for the nation. They don't care. What they want is what is happening now. And this is the reason why you always find out that if you start a political party on your one, singa win. Because Zipani is not winner because of revolution. If you find out MCB number bwanji, why is a big part, you find that he's talking about federation, tamangisa zungu. That's what. And a lot of people then focus on muzungu ndo ipa timthamangise then they all went to Kamuzu and then they got MCP. Koma Kamuzu as a politician, he had his strategy, which has kept MCP today for sinatengati makatani. Why did Kamuzu do? Anamangira nyumba. What Kamuzu anatenga mbumba, anaka ku Taiwan, kayakuti. Those women in the whole country, they benefited from Kamuzu. Azukuru ao, amuna ao, abale ao, all say, they remember ubwino wa Kamuzu. This is why MCP singati chifu anthu ena pano kunena akula munyumba zimenana manga Kamuzu kupanda nyumba za Kamuzu akanakhala munyumba za mauzu mwina akanavutika. So they cannot stop thinking of Kamuzu. So Kamuzu's strategy of keeping MCP strong, no matter what you do, is very difficult to destroy that party because my foundation are deep. Kamuzu anaziwa kuti Spanish. If you look at UDF, it has no foundation. That's why DPP in Angolanda. And if you look at DPP, it's strong now because he took from UDF. Chifukwa chimenji na wina revolutionary was Kamuzu mchose akutizunza tikepo matipate ndiye Kamuzu was targeted. So the people who the party which came out of there was UDF. UDF won 2 terms. Bakiri served 10 years as a president. And he would if UDF chose a leader who was UDF to the core, the big party in Malawi would have been MCP and UDF. DPP became a party in State House after being won through UDF, and now big put Chimanga there. And now everybody will not if it's over as people are starving, climate change, DPP will always win because of Chimanga. And they don't have to do anything else. No way, because the majority of Malawians need Chimanga. And the Chimanga DPP, you cannot beat them. And because of that, they'll always be beat. So if somebody starts a party today and expects to win, he's lying. Because obviously I stood twice, 2014, I stood 2019, but 2025 I did not stand. Because I realized very quickly that this is a futile program because people who are voters, they don't care unless there's a revolution. So how do you create a revolution? You cannot, not easily. So
is it safe to insinuate that the smart politician is the one that leverages the illiteracy levels of Malawians?
Obviously, what is a political party? You want to be in power. That's all. You want to be in power and control resources which are both human as well as financial as well as infrastructure. So that's what you want. So if you're a crooked person, obviously you know which is the weak point of the people and you use it against them and then they vote for you. It's so simple that you don't even have to panic. It's just a matter of knowing the weak points of the people and they will follow you. Even if today you started a program with a organization after the end of my research, you find mad people for you. You'll be walking in the street naked. That's madness, but you can still have. I'm not saying this in a bad way, so don't misunderstand me. The more controversial you are, the more you're going to have people for you. Because people like to have a bit of excitement. And that excitement is what causes a political spin. And if you get an ideology like the one being created of giving people 500 kwacha for fertilizer and then having Chimanga all the time, you can never lose politics. And that's why Peter came back and he said, okay, Chakwera came in, he didn't understand the whole principle of politics. I think he was too much of a religious guy. Instead of actually leveraging on what DPP was doing and making it better, he created a problem. Fertilizer went up. And to him, going up fertilizer means Chimanga should go up so that the thing would come. But he forgot with Anthu Ambiri, they have no access to resources. But DPP knew that people have no resources, so he has reduced Chimanga.
Yeah, Commando Professor JC, perhaps we can say Udimina ideology and political ideology was more complex to be comprehended by ordinary Malawians. Perhaps there was a need to simplify my ideologies and Mukamba Zodani.
I'm a professor now. How many professors do you have? So you don't expect me. What I've analyzed you today is analysis of a professor.
Yes.
So I did not join politics because I needed money. I not join politics because I'm unemployed. I joined politics because I want people like you and others to understand what is making Malawi not develop. And I had studied this, I analyzed this, so that's what I bring out. Unfortunately, people like you and me are not many. The majority of people in the village who vote for Chimanga.
Yeah.
You cannot vote for Chimanga. You know it and I know it. But they vote for Chimanga, that's what you do.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Face to Face podcast, and my name is Victor Dafres, and today I'm having a very interesting conversation with Professor John Chisi. Yeah, Professor, mafani visisi kuti kapena nene kuti kachitidwe ka Ndale pa Malawi panopa kanasokoneza masomphenya anu mwanjirena yake kapena you're still with your vision kuti siku lina lake muzala mlaziko lino kapena mene Ndale zimayendera ku Malawi kuno zinasokoneza masomphenya anu.
What chone mziwa nchakuti ina am unique. I'm a retired professor. Okay? In other words, mendikuonera ineyo chimene mulungu ananikira baziko la basi pano nakwanisa. Ineyo chimene mulungu ananikira baziko la basi pano ndakwanisa. Why? I'm a professor, I've taught a lot of doctors, I've retired. And at the moment, I'm a pensioner. And I enjoy my life where it is.
Yeah.
But I've got interest. Kuti anthu awone zimene onene pamwe wanga. Kapena anthu azindikire zimene zanipangisa ndikhale chonchi. Koma ndikuziwaso kuti mphamvu zimakhala ndi anthu amene ali muzipani zazikulu amene akulamulira. Mwina akalibe mphamvu. So, ngati mukumbukira bwino kale anthu amanena kuti nene wa DPP amatine kadeti si chonchi. Chinapangisa anthu organization chani. I support the government. Yes. Whichever government it is. Nthawi ya Tonse Alliance, I was one of the 9 presidents. I was supporting Chakwera.
Yeah.
Koma, after being with him and the other political people, and in a Japan, which I tell you, you can call it a briefcase party. I realized very quickly. Amalaya kundiziwa. Kuti ine ndilankhule kwa anthu, akuziwa zimene malankhula. I've led people on my own party without my control. Ndiye panopo, I should accept who the leaders are. I am not. I wanna be is not the same as I am. Momveka said. So I joined MCP. Why? MCP, they know my talent. Agakhani makoka sawo. As me as a member, they can be free to call on me and say, we are our member, we want all these things, if they want to. But I cannot judge that because the Polity Bureau of MCP, I'm not in it because I joined them in the way after everything else. So it's up to the Polity Bureau of MCP to understand. What people should know is that MCP might be out of power now, but still remains a big party. The only 2 parties in Malawi is Menanto Azikara Kutuzangana and rely on themselves to either DPP or MCP. There's no other party which can get that history. I told you already with MCP Singati, you cannot create good, you cannot create UDF. See, MCP Singati, no matter what happens, but my generation and family, I mean, I benefit from MCP. Okay? DPP. Singateso because of my police amenasi ya bingu and infrastructure amenasi ya bingu. If you're talking about infrastructure development ya ziko lino, participants good zoka. You can talk about it. UDF was there, but you can never really mention tangible things UDF did apart from changing Mzuzu Teacher College to Mzuzu University, whatever. But new infrastructure, they never created it. And I be masompenya manage. And they were still working with Taiwan when Bingu came and they went to China, and China has done a lot more things. We have got parliament now. We've got in data. These things are tangible and they've been done by these 2 parties, in short. So you will notice kuti ngati munthu akufuna kuti atenge ngawo bandale Malawi, you either belong to MCP or DPP. Koma Zina as Inde, because democracy. Koma they cannot reach that level. If you think I'm lying, I could give an example of South Stream. South Stream had everything. He had everything. He had the same campaign tools as anybody. Saru mbwe, moto mbwe, masanja mbwe, anyamata ose kumimbira. When South was having a party, everybody was there. He didn't win. Yes. It's because there was no revolution. He was creating a revolution for himself or for Malawi to follow it, but they didn't want it because they already did not see why they can change that. Yeah, that's the reason why. Yeah, so it's always going to be
perhaps that could be the reason behind him always advocating for mindset change, perhaps?
No, you cannot change a mindset in a culture where you still select people from primary school, secondary school. You can't. They will hate each other. People here don't like each other. You know as well as if you ask somebody, and you cannot ask your friend out even if they have. Yeah, this is not a culture of mindset change because in Tirana. And we lie. It's our culture. Ndiye message ya malankula zambugu. Because message change you need to start from the grassroots. I am a Malawian. I am John Chisi.
Yes.
I'm influenced by my country, but with both my parents. If my parents are not good at Kuba, you cannot tell me I cannot stop stealing because I was taught by my father to be a thief. Yeah. So if I'm living with a father who is corrupt and is a top official in a system which is living on corruption money and we know that they're being corrupt, you think I'm also being corrupt myself in Kafika Pampando? No. I'm influenced by that. So now Kamuzu kunali basement because Kamuzu in courts was a disciplinarian. I'm at unity, discipline and whatever. And discipline ya Kamuzu is not serious. If you want how many, I'm a quota. The courses were big and people were afraid. So he was using what you call psychology classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Classical conditioning umamenya. Okay? So he was using classical. Operant conditioning you give reward. Okay? So I want you to do something good. I will give you a reward. I'll say, if you do this, I'll give you so much money. You do good. if you don't do, you don't get the money. If I tell you don't do this and you don't do it, I'll whip you. You still do it because you're afraid of being whipped. So Camus was using the classical conditioning, which was working for fear. Open conditioning is democratic and it requires people to make a decision. And that decision means that if I'm a thief, I can steal and then go to court. And if the court is corrupt or people in court are corrupt or get away with it, then I'll continue stealing because I know that I'm protected. Yeah. So zinthu izi zimateka patali ndiye amunthu anakuti haya mindset change amanama sizingateke. Yeah. Koma iyeso ngati munthu anandivuto he didn't have respect for the elders, which is American culture. Amani napita kuti ndokupa akadya kuti ndrama imunthu atanamsankha kuti akhale pa level ya vice president namphunzitsa zoti machita mu presidency zosaziwa ndiye kupita ku podium rudeness. That's not our culture. So and as he didn't win because a lot of chiefs were like mwana uyu alibe khalidwe sitingamvotera. So it is a lot of things which create a leader in a nation. So there's a lot of things which destroy leaders in a nation. So if you want to be a leader, go for leadership, you need to understand who the people you are working with and who they are. And you have to respect them first and foremost. If you don't make them, they don't work.
You did touch on the Tonse Alliance, and I'm really interested to hear it from you. Was Tonse Alliance really meant to change things in Malawi, or was this a marriage of convenience that was said to oust DPP government then?
No, I think Tonse, 9% were fooled because there's no constitution in Malawi for Tonse. It doesn't exist.
So we were fooled and you were part of that formulation of Tonse Alliance.
Yeah, but politicians would do it because we want to sell ourselves. You see, I was not there because I knew I would be anything. No, I was selling myself. So I humbled myself, as you would put it that way. I used to say. In Malawi, there's no constitution of Tonse. There's no constitution of government of national unity. Doesn't exist. So even if you did, when you go to the constitution of Malawi, it doesn't exist. So the presidency, if they want to work with you, they can't. Yeah, because there's nowhere where it says if you want together, you should do together. Now a party which wins has got a lot of vouchers for obvious reasons. I mean, people have spent their money, their time campaigning. They cannot give to somebody who they think is a competitor. And some people like us, well, they know that we've got ambition of presidency. So no president will put you closer because they know you become a competitor. So that's part of life. But at the same time, if you have your nation, you take part in the governance so that the people benefit from your time. But not necessarily that you're a leader. You can be a very good follower and still contribute a lot. And leaders, what they hate, is to expose what's given them ideas. So if I give an idea to the president, I should not come and say I've given an idea. You should get the praise himself as if it is his idea. Me, I should be at the back. But if I also have a mission of a president, then I advise him, then they put primary school, secondary school together, say, Chisi and Ndale kuposa president. That's why some of these things are not implemented. Akufotokoza bwino kwambiri. Because presidents don't like not to be the ones who start. They are not superhuman. They're like everybody else. Amafuna glory zipita kwa iwo. Ndiye ngati munthu wanena policy. So if I wanted primary school, secondary school, kuti take Malawi, ndikanakhala pay. Ndikanangopita kwa Peter, kapena kwa Chakwera nthawiyo, ndikukatankhula zimenezo in privacy. Akanapanga ndiwo pa stadium, ndiye you would have thanked him. Koma ndinazinena. That's why they're not working. Chifukwa sangapanga izinto nanene. Sizingateke. Oh no, Chisi, my dear Chisi amene. Koma I'm outside. There's no president who doesn't like to be president. Your Excellency, sir. Oh.
So, Professor, among the things that were encapsulated in the Tonse Alliance Pact, that agreement still remain unclear, and some of the agreement means and then we saw the late Dr. Chirima claiming kuti the agreement was that he, or rather Chakwera, should run for 5 years, and then 5 years in asabange iwo malema Chirima, and izi have been disputed. And wazipanga dispute MCP and azipanga dispute. The mafuna ndimve from someone that was in the Tonse Alliance. What was the truth behind the Tonse Alliance agreement?
Who was Chirima? Ina Chirima?
Yeah, we're not trying to point who the problem was.
You have to be honest. No. You have to be honest.
But we want
we want
you to unpack.
I'm going to unpack.
Yes, unpack. Unpack.
Don't stop me.
Yes, unpack.
Ina joined Chirima as part of his group. There was a group for MCP, there was a group for UTM.
UTM, yes.
I was UTM group.
Yeah.
But you know that he never called me for a meeting even once. On the Tonse Alliance, I came through him. But he never called me for a meeting even once. He never even heard my point of view. So don't think whatever he was saying was true. And I'm telling you the truth now. If there's anybody in UTM today should come and refute what I'm saying, Chidima never talked to me. And I was part of him. And I knew that was a problem because Chima had already decided at that time that me, I was more of a daddy boy. Because you don't forget that I was a cadet. I was more close to Peter. And I would respect Peter like nobody's business. He didn't like that. But when I went there, I also knew that panopo ugu zikuvuta. DPPC win. But me, I'm young. I want to stay in politics. Nkhani ikupita ugu. So that's why I came at Njamba and I said, Chima need more, meaning refuse me in public if you think this is going to work for you. So he was upset because I didn't go beg for him. I just went on his rally and basically said those words. So after that, he was very upset with me because he never called me for a meeting. We never discussed anything. I just went straight on Njamba and said those words. I never met him again face to face until the Tonse Alliance was resolved. That's what happened on my side. So
you intentionally said that on at Njamba just to frustrate him?
No, but to be part of the Tonse Alliance because he was not going to accept it.
But why didn't you pull out? If a person is not involving you into that agreement, why didn't you pull out?
I was not interested in him as an individual. I was interested in him for my nation to participate at the highest level. So that meant that whenever the meeting of Tonse, I was there. But I knew that those meetings don't mean anything because they were not constitutional. But we are getting ideas. But we never made any policy. We never created any law which Parliament debated because of us. Everything were just briefed, but it was a briefing like we were briefing each other here. So to me, the very fact that I was with them in the State House and talking to them was a progress on my side. I'm a politician. So the closer to power you are, the better. So Chilima himself, had he wanted me to become a minister because I came through him, for Chima would have advocated. Chisi is part of my group. I want him because of whatever he saw in me to be Nduna. But he didn't want. That's why I never became Nduna. He chose other people, which he contributed. None of a person of Umo's party went to an embassy. Because he was not happy with me. The way I done my politics. I could not go to him and ask him for a favor because you have to understand that Peter Mutharika had decided that he wanted him to be a successor. That's why he made him the vice president. He chose him from there and made him a successor for him. Now what Chilima had to do was to wait and be patient. This time we would have been talking about him as a president. Because we would have served these 2 terms. This time we would have said that my vice president is what I'm advocating. Chilima would be president today. But since Peter, in his wisdom as a leader, he knows that there should be transitions and there should be continuation of power, but the young people have to be brought in. To be brought in from nowhere to a vice president in a party where everybody is a vulture is not a joke, my friend. Yeah. But she was lucky. Yeah. So, me, I was very close to the president at that time because he made me the board chair of Medical Council. In that process, I also ended up being the vice chair of Medical Council Associations of Africa chairmanship. He exposed me to the international community. So I had a lot of respect, and I still remain respectable to Peter me. You know, Arthur Peter Mutharika is an academic. And academic mentor people. That's what we do. So what has confused Peter today? He's confused about what he should do with the party. When he was out, when he realized himself, and how I'm single say Japan. Because Peter was not going to stand. If you remember about it, it took him a long time to die. Why? Succession plan Peter, he put his all energy in Chilima. Chilima disappointed him. But he still forgave him and let him run as a vice president to Chakwera. What happened later? You know what happened, the SATA issues, whatever, my exposure, whatever. Just, he was trying to teach him, young man. Ndale is mafuna kufasa. But Chilima did not. And I regret that Chilima left us the way he did because he had a huge potential with his energy and his ideas to run this country. But he did not understand politics because in him, he thought it was power of convincing everybody else, managing everybody else. He didn't understand the things mezimachitika pasi, mafumu, how they feel. Anyamata angakhala kuvinire koma they don't mean anything. They are anti t-shirt yako, and t-shirt ya MCP, omwe anti t-shirt ya Ford.
So Professor Chisi, ndimafuna mulunjike chindunji bwinobwino. Muti masule bwinobwino, musazungulire, mufati mvesese kuti kodi mu mgwirizano wa Tonse Alliance uja ndifuna pamwe mundiyankhe direct. Ndizoona adi kuti Achilima makamaka Chakwera amene kokhala ndi 5 years malemu achilima kukhalanso ndi 5 years ina ndifuna mutiyankhe bwinobwino ngati munthu amene munali nawo mu agreement imeneyi.
Sindingayankhe chifukwa chilima sanandiyitane ineyo kunifotokoza zimene mu agreement nakuwuzani kale kuti napita pa podium ineyo kuziwa kuti anthu azafuna kuti tonsefe tikhale pamodzi koma chilima didn't want me. Nangopita pajokazi pachikandeka that's why kuti nana mawu akuti chilima ndi mamwali mozi mowa kuti andikane pagulu anthu ndi anthu amizikwe kuti munthu utani yesu anandikane koma sanandiyitanepo kunifotokozera kuti agreement iyi pakati pa ine ndi Chakwera takuzana mwakuti ndiye ngati amanena chilima akuziwa yekha koma ine sindikuziwa koma ineyo nesa mundipesese tu ineyo nesa tinalowa ku Tonse Alliance through chilima koma ife tonsefe kwakana muzanesa nesa kana nduzi koma nesa kuziwa chichonse
Koma ngati anthu
ngakhale kamuzi chiwamboso nalowa limodzi kuchilima ndipo kamuchima kanaziwa akanatifotokozera koma palibe amene akuziwa amaziwa chilima ndi Chakwera ndiye zinthu zawiriyo ife sitikuziwa chifukwa ngakhale mene amakumana Zokhudza ndi dziko amakumana awiri ife kunalipa.
But Professor Chisi, this must be said to the voters. Ngati anthu andale nokha mumasewerana choncho anthu amene mukuyeneka kusewera mpira pa ground ndi kwati munthu amene akufoterani
ife sitimasewerana yani Malawi amafuna kuti tigwirizane ifenso monga ineyo ndinafuna naziwa kale kuti apita aina kupuma at least because of the way ntchito adayigwira ndiye muona amene abwera pano energized koma nthawi imene janandi pressure kwambiri so anthu amati anthu mugwirizane chilima ndi Chakwera kaya anapanga chani zawozo koma ifeyo honestly speaking ineyo as umodzi party president nthawi imeneja meeting imene mapita ine inali yachikulu tonsefe tikaitaniro ku State House koma meeting ya ine ndi chilima ngati partner wa chilima ayi kunalibe chifukwa ngati panali munthu amene akanapanga advocate za chilima ndikanakhala ineyo chifukwa ndikumbukira ineyo chilima atamanga mundipesese tu chifukwa ine sinatenge oath so ine ndikhoza kunena zimene makambiana nkhale ku State House kuja chilima anazabwera nana kuti lerolo we should solve this problem ya succession nanena ineyo as John Chisi nana kuti nkhani imeneyo mukakambirana nokha awiri ndi Chakwera ife kunalibe and I totally said that in the group of 9 of us and it was me kuyamba nkhani jasinakambidweso nana kuti kanofuna kukamba nkhanizi ife musatiphake matope musatibwerese kuno kuti zikupanga na advocacy zoti munatiuze chifukwa ine mukanakhala mutatuza tikakhala ndi kokasi kokasi kunalibe mutibweresa muno ambushing us I told him I don't want to hear about this story mukakambirana nokha that's how it ended and from that Khanija was not tabled on the Tonse Alliance meeting in Medinari State House. And it was me. They can quote me. I am free because I never took an oath of secrecy. Ningana can take oath of secrecy singana kuzana minutes.
Wande munatu anthu athu manatu achiswatu ndi mwinalola ndi adyera nanga chisamalowa zinthu zoti iwo sakuzimvesesa bwinobwino munthu ophunzira ngati amene professor kumapanga zinthu zoti iwo sakudziwa mu agreement mwa muli chani kapena mwina niyo mnali mukuyang'ana zina zake kusogolo kuti amwene bwati ngolowamo tizakhale mtima udindo tinatake mu boma
nkhani sidyera nkhani simaudindo nkhani ndi kutengapo bwanji pa gulu lako pa dziko lako and how you contributing munthu andale mundivesese umakhala pafupi ndi anthu komanso pafupi ndi atsogoleri kuti uthandizire zimene zikupanga apa padakuwuzani nkhani imene inali ya private nakuwuzani pano ndikanakhala kulibe mukanaziwa zimene chifukwa mukanakhala kuti mukama zinthu zomwezo chifukwa ine anena chifukwa normally mukapita ku State House matenga oath kuzaso pendo kamera pano sizakhale only the people amene asankhidwa ine sinatekepo oath simunamwe kuchisa ime apena pake ndi Bible kuti zimene zilankhula pano but sinatekepo oath so I am free to speak because there was no oath koma nkhani yayikulu inali yakuti Amalawi amafuna kuti pakhale Tonse Alliance ine ndinabwesa mavota ambiri umene uja chifukwa ine I know folo wanganga imakhala yochepa because nthawi zambiri tikamakhala kuti upanga Ndale sinimakhala ndi mamonita zokwanira ndinganakhala mamonita zimene amakhala ndi MCP kapena DPP ineyo pa every level even mamonita zamene ananayo chilima ine would have been a president of this country already anthu amene amandifuna ine ndi ambiri
are you sure about that
you know ukamayenda anthu amene amakulankhulira and you are aware of where it started. There's no way Amalawi angasiye munthu amene akufuna kubweresa umozi kumaziko umozi party. There's no way. Chipani chokhacho. Adiwa chipani chokhacho umozi. There's no way. Even if people were not normal, they would not leave somebody who talk umozi. And there's no way. Anthu angasiye munthu amene akufuna kuti anaosaphunzire mofanana. There's no way. Anthu angasiye munthu amene akufuna kupanga decentralized government to the point kuti tipange ma regions ma provinces koma province imene ndipangisa ma zone officers amene aziyang'anira kumalo kwawo. For example, Blantyre to be divided mu 4 zones: north, south, east and west. DC wa ku north azikhala ku north, azipanga zawo za ku north kokhako with their budget. Wa ku south budget ndame Blantyre ikamachoka ikhale kuti yapanga kava ma zone onse. Koma because wa created provinces, ma district atatu akhale province with a provincial governor. Provincial governor apanga campaign kuti Chitipa, Rumphi and Karonga one province imeneyo zokufunika nzaku zakuti apange campaign, and then with his 4 people per district, that means 12 people, 12 civil servants, him a politician managing that province. You find kuti zimene akupanga panopo DPP is not very different by putting 5 billion in every constituency. That's his own thing. At the end of the day, anthu akumuza akupanga decision wokha. Koma yasenthika. Now you have got a lot of investors in Malawi, but you know that was Umozi Bade manifesto. To senzazi unima. If you go in Umozi Bade manifesto, ya 2014, you find that is already there. So now you have got investors which has expanded. Koma manifesto yoyamba. You come as many Umozi Bade. Go check manifesto ya Umozi Bade 2014. You are going to find that we are planning to have 15 investors, decentralize UNIMA, then get some of these private investors like Catholic investors, whatever, subsidize them so that they can also have resources equivalent, that they don't become totally independent because the fees will be high. So what did all those things happen? It was part of the manifesto of Umozi. So there's no way. Ziko sitting up we're saying 3 factors every district. So industrialization process, every district has got 3 factories. So if you look at the province, 3 districts, each of them having 3 factories. A province will have how many factories? 9. Are you going to send people to Blantyre kapena kulilongo? They will stick there. So we have got a plan. It is so comprehensive. Kutamara cannot vote kapena if we had people who want to become our MPs, people who want to become our councillors. This cannot happen. Nakusanikale kuti anthu ambiri amavotera ma revolutionary times of the party. Either they want to transition from this or that. If people are at peace, they don't want to change. So because of that, my ideas ndamenewo, and I'm implemented indirectly. For example, University Panopo is decentralized, which is okay. We're happy about that. But it's gonna take her because we're still thinking the Kamu's way. The same way, my primary school, secondary school, I could take her indirectly because now you're going to find that my community pafupi angoenda kwambiri. It's almost the same. They're still selecting. If it even to a chosen section here. Yeah.
So adatisia maremu Chilima, may he so rest in peace. Pa ngozi ya ndege anthu osiyana na yankhulapo anthu Ndale anthu amene ali ndi influence kumalawi kunoko koma zidaoneka kuti inu ya Chisi mudasankha kukhala chete. Tinene kuti muna chimene chinali chisoni chachikulu kapena padali chifukwa chimene niyo munasankha kuti mukhale chete at that particular critical time in the history of Malawi.
Tosakete malira tanti malira mosiyana palibe vuto pamene. Tanti malira mosiyana anthu ena amalira mwakuti ife malira mosiyana basi zinatha tithokoze Mulungu kuti chikondi chake anatipasa Chilima amene anali bold enough kulankhula za Ndale kuti dziko lino likhale opened up. So anagwira ntchito yake nayenso. Tonse tizagwira ntchito yathu tizapita Mulungu yekha kuziwa njira yopitira tonse njira zathu tivomereze. Ndiye ine nthawi zambiri ndimadandaula kwambiri ngati anthu akuona kuti closure isapangike chifukwa akamapanga zinthu zawo zikaya mainkwari chimene akufuna kwenikweni ndi chani? Chimene akufuna kwenikweni ndi chani? Ndege ya ame leader Chakwera, anthu amene ali momuja akufuna moyo wawo. Ndege yakale inali mavuto ake, weather inali apo, koma anthu they still thinking koma tikulira mosiyana ndingosiya chonchi chifukwa mukapanga mainkwari amene mukuhoza kupanga it's very difficult zinthu zimene jakupeza what actually happened chifukwa palibe munthu amafuna ataye kokonero wake tonse tikufuna tutaye kokonero. We are mourning for Chilima, so we mourn differently. Anthu ena closure imakhala yosavuta, anthu ena closure imachedu. Ndiye seems in political terms chifukwa zimene zochitika pano za Ndale za ku parliament, that means closure anthu Ndale is different from closure anthu ena chifukwa mainkwari apangidwa ambirimbiri kaya awiri kaya atatu koma people are not having closure. So I'm saying tikapanga zonsezo at the end of it ndege inali ya army, it was an audit car. Who are we going to blame? Are we going to blame the army? Are we going to blame the president? Are we going to blame the pilot who passed on? Do we have evidence ya pilot mwini wake anamwalira could tell us what actually happened to ndege? We are insinuating out of things. Koma so pambena bake tikuona kuti zinthuzi mwina zinali mwakuti koma amene angaziwe kwenikweni ndi pilot chifani imene amayendesa ndege akanakhala moyo akanathandiza koma he's not there. So tikhoza kuona izo zambiri. And wawo morning ndiye tivomereze kuti tosefe project zakhala banthawi yake mendaonera koma assuming you find kuti pali mavuto a black box kachani. Now you have to understand kuti the army have got their own protocol, passenger planes ya public have got their own protocol. So what protocol are we going to look at? Are we going to look at the passenger protocol ya ndege za private or army protocol for their own thing? Maybe the army itself does not want my black box because akamapanga zawo za surveillance amafuta kuti aziwike apanga chani. You know, the army has got its own protocols, has its own secret yawo. What is happening? So I don't know. Ni anthu akamapanga tipange chaku tina I get confused because I don't know what it is that we want. We cannot bring Chilima back. But should we have a closure where at the end of the day tikawekana ngati dziko kapena ndidane ndi anthu ena, because at the end of the day it's either going to be the army or it's going to be MCP, it's going to be Chakwera, whatever it is, because they had power. But they were not there. And whatever Chakwera was fed as a president was fed by other people. And the whole thing, because Chakwera was not there. So information Chakwera and if that information was not right, that means on background. So what are we going to blame?
I just think it simply means that the inquiry is very necessary because you have got questions that need to be answered.
No.
You too have got questions.
I'm looking
that need
at
to be
the
answered.
closure.
You're looking at the closure, but you are posing questions.
No, those questions, I'm not posing anything. I'm saying, as a Malawian, we have to move forward. Chilima wetamuluza. But we want peace in this country. Ndiye peace is a bwanji if we are looking at issues which we cannot solve. Because the only person who can tell us what happened to that plane, honestly, the pilot.
We digress, Professor Chisi. Before tikambirane nkhani ya governance, providing checks and balances, okay? Particularly from the opposition. Are you impressed? You are a member of Malawi Congress Party. Are you impressed by your party's role in ensuring that the current regime is held accountable? Are you impressed?
You know, what is it that you really want from issues of governance in politics? Do you want people to have vichmanga? Do they have it? The budget, wait a minute, the budget system which was put by government, the opposition have analyzed it, yes, and they've passed it. So I thought we were really waiting for the delivery of all the things. So what is it that we really want? If you are saying you're an opposition, what are you opposing? Or what do you want to do construction? Because construction was done, the parliament has finished, and it is now Sandai, meaning that and who akuona kuti zinthu zichitika bwanji. Per ground, my MP, are they doing their constituent development fund? Are they bringing Chitukuko or not? Because you have to understand kuti boma ndiro, koma ma rewards, ma benefits, they're everywhere. They're MCP, they're DPP. So if production kapena delivery si kupangika bwino society kupanga bwino, you cannot blame anyone because the government basically left the thing there. Here's money, deliberate, take it and sort it out. So what is it that we need? So when someone says, "Oh, you're opposing," no, you don't. Come on, okay. Adibi amara kuisapena, and this I'm not going to lie. They cannot use tear gas to former president. Akupanga match. You the Ikupita would have called Chakwera the day before. Ku State House. Chakwera namba kuti mudandaula ndi zinthu izi. Ineyo ngati president wanu sindingapiteko. Koma political thing imene makhamu nalipa president anuso. Zikhoza kuwesa mpungwe people might misunderstand you and me. Because me I'm your friend, you are my friend, we are not enemies of all Malawians. Please, as a leader of opposition, either you don't go there, you are sila chimwendo ndi anthu apange, or if you want to go, wait where I will explain ngati anthu awiri kwamba nopa musapite ndikuziwa kuti munapanga zimenezo koma bomaso limene munalipangira ndi limeneli. You might not be the president but the boma is still continuing with your legacy. Munapanga ndinu ife situna kuti tasiya kulemekeza kamuzo ayi timulemekeza koma munjira yakuti ineyo as a president panopo I cannot go. If I was with you we could hug each other, tikanapanga zonse ngati limodzi, tikanaperekera mwina limodzi marifu kapena mukanapita inu koma panopo ine kulibe anthu they will misunderstand that. They will still think that you're a president. Ndiye zimene sizabwino akanakambirana. Ndiye akanakana Chakwerayo na maromba akananena kuti ife Chakwera tapempha kumulemekeza koma kuti kanira ndiye zimene zikagweko sizatose. ife ngati boma sitifuna pungwe chifukwa anthu ma followers are emotional ndiye ziko lino ndikufuna chani bata nitendere koma zimene kupanga zathu zikoza pungwe ndiye Achakwera ndiye MCP yanu yo ngani mufuna kupanga zimenezi please muziwe kuti at the end of it we have got a nation to keep koma so boma silingalole kuti muzipanga match as if you are the president chifukwa ife mene munali president sinabwera nawo Kamuzu Day. We know that we didn't want Kamuzu, why? But there was no time when DPP went to Kamuzu Day when Chakwera was in power. They would have gone, but they didn't. Because they understand that Atambara, we somebody am Kwarimos. So Chakwera wants Atambara, we are Kwarimos. So that is advice in MCB and Akufotokoza. For they're not in power anymore. Komaso the Panopo Sanga Panga political marriage. Now you're Tina Kwani. If you want political marriage, they can perform in my elections. Kudanta Zikumbukira. Kurondi Kutali. So DPP in that strategy gas Chakwera, which was not right, which I think was wrong. Komaso.
The DPP came in police.
Most if the DPP said no, they would not. The minister, that's why I've got the minister of Internal Affairs, because he's asked. Political things are always asked by the politicians. Otherwise, they have got a political connotation. That's why he came to defend it. He says, in other words, there was no communication between them and the government. So government cannot allow to be undermined when they have got the power. It's normal. I mean, how many people did Chakwera arrest DPP when he was in power? It's normal. Kama nkhani ndi akuti. Tikafika za ziko. Because what happened there to me was that I'm sure Mama was also there when they did those tear gases, which was not acceptable. I'm sure Mama was part of that group. There's no way she would not have been. So, my stress person analipo, Chakwera analipo. Chakwera in aki panopo ngati iwo akadali the ambition of president insofar as Peter is doing things they can be there, but if Peter is not doing alemekeze Peter akuyendetsa mmene akuzira iye, so they cannot tell Peter what to do. Peter our president knows what he's doing according to mmene afuna iwo Peter mtalikawo ndiye msingauze kuti mupange chakuta chifukwa panopo they are not in power in the DPP. Even if they oppose achita kuwapanga oppose political things but not things which have respect for history.
Yeah, Professor Chisi, so here's the counter argument. Anthu amanena kuti MCP mukuamadandaula kuti apolisi anathira tegasi a president anu a MCP. Muzikumbukira kuti the same police, the very same police imeneso inaonerera na miwa kumenyedwa kulilongwe kucha. The same police. Nde panopa inu mukapange complain kuti akuthira tegasi foti tabwa la sintha. So can we comfortably say that this is a lesson to politicians in how they use state organs?
Politics is not a tit for tat. You have to be above board. Ngati Chakwera mafuna political marriage. Political marriage. But Panopo is just embarrassment. I don't think he got any political marriage. And her DPP, they will never like Chakwera again because he has been humiliated. At the same time, if he did what they have told the spokesperson, he should have had his press conference the day before. You know, even the day before, akananena pa press conference pepa na mara zanga sindikana umawa chifukwa ndi lulendo wopita kwina kwake koma Kamuzu mkumbukire, knowing pretty well that he would have said that. Ine Kamuzu mamkonda, I would have loved to be pa group la chani, pa group la anthu amene ali ku mausoleum. Koma ina msipa zanga mtima pasi sindibwera because I've been tied up. Tingombe mpira Kamuzu amatikonda. Knowing kuti amkanira. You would not have gone there kuti atikanira. Because that's trying to create political capital for something which political capital cannot be created. So leadership, because if he said that, DPP would have been embarrassed more than MCP, because you would have become on top of MCP.
Yeah. So let us talk about your transitioning from Umodzi Party to Malawi Congress Party. Mutasogolera Umodzi Party kwa zaka zambiri. Yes, which I believe Umodzi Party is your brainchild.
Sure.
So, yeah, we can comfortably say that Umodzi Party is your brainchild.
Yes.
I wanted to understand the transformation. What really inspired you to see this was your baby? Yeah, it was your trademark. You know, Mr. Jibani, Jibani ina chuga chimene chamwe achisiya, muna wanga ka abandon whatsoever, anthu aja nkwasiya ndikuka tsatira chipani cha MCP. China kukopa ni nchani kuti mupite ku MCP?
I'm a politician. Okay. In other words, I think politics, I analyze politics, I understand politics.
Yes.
Why did I start Umodzi Party? Ndikana wazipani zazikulu poyambira if I joined DPP or MCP simunganandiziwa because I would have no political capital.
Yes.
Singanankha chichonse. Nikanakhala MP. Achina Ken Lipenga, you know, they were MPs. Ken Lipenga and Anzatu Kumbuyo Kaminacho Kama University. They just joined the big party. They became ministers, and that was the end of the story. Me, I wanted policy. I did not want to go to the Karimun Hoje. Ningo satira zinthu. Koma ndi auze amala policy yanga. Imene ndizi. No policy yenane nato. Campaign ya 2014 napanga policy naye zunga zikosa mara kwa anthu. Primary school, secondary school mara mozi mazone officers mendandala nkhulazo. Policy yanga yatheka. 2019 napanga so policy yanga. Malawians know me. Ngakhale pano ndajona chipanja chikulu, even if they keep me quiet. It's fine. Simwanditana apa. Nimkana policy yanga mkana somkana nditana. Policy yanga simkana ziwa if I didn't create my own party. Nikupanga policy mkana nditana. Somkana nditana I would non-starter.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so now I'm a starter because I started a platform which opened people what I need. Now it's different phase. Now this phase of governance. Is that a DPP, is that a MCP, or anybody who is strong to invite me to my areas. So from what I've seen, MCP is likely going to go in a transitional aspect because Chakwera is the only president who has served for only one term. Peter anapanga one term, but anamchosa ni Chakwera yo. Bingu anapanga 2 terms, Bakiri anapanga 2 terms. Joyce Banda anapanga less than a term because of Maliro. So the only party now, if it strategizes itself very well, and it comes up in the antros wika kwa Malawi, kapena masaje za bwino. Because that party should definitely have me in power, or have me in power either as an MP or as a governor or something like this. Because that's the only way we can participate. If these two parties don't pick me for anything, I will still be here talking like this. But my influence will not come. Because that's your politics in the capacity. I'm not so politics. I've retired from the university. So the only way, I will always be a politician. Now, that thing as Spanish schools with power. Because no other party can put me in power of anything. So now those two parties. Because the other parties cannot win. Mugamba chipande banobo sitting at take and akuzani kare kuti sitting at take because people like a revolution. Unless you create a revolution now, mutane ndm the DPP yo, mutane yoja. MCP na dead because we were saying chipachimos changhas. As Asamunda munawathamangisa. But where would you start hating DPP? And where would you start hating MCP? Palibe. It's only governance issues which are not revolutionary. So the panels America, they've got Democrats and Republicans. Britain, they've got Conservative and Labour. If you go to South Africa, they've got ANC. If you go to Tanzania, if you go to Mozambique, you have got Federalism. You cannot change parties in power if there's no revolution. The only way which can change power in power is revolution. I'm talking as a professor now. I'm talking as a person who does research, who analyzes things. So if I play a role in my politics, it has either to be the MCP or DPP, depending on what people feel. Not in almost party. It's not easy.
It's not easy.
And you don't do the same thing twice and you get the same results and then expect to continue. That means you're stupid. I'm not.
But it means you knew minimum say almost part of the ideology. You had a unique ideology, which means Sumungabide MCP and Ugabwe some ideologies and Kumenuchi. Chimani structure zaki. I didn't know my ideologies. I mean ambisa time in entire Muzumpa na Panopa, which means Anwaja Fufutiga. So a person that abandoned his own ideologies. I'm cool with the MCP does not have a manifesto. It never had a manifesto. Kamuzo just saying I broke stupid federation. Kamuzo never had a manifesto. Kamuzo never campaigned for manifesto. If anything, manifesto was a MCP in power in area Chidima. MCP was talking about high five. What does that mean? Now they went on telling people had Zapasana, Drama. They don't have a manifesto. Analuza because they didn't have the manifesto which means
I thought Chilima had analyzed the situation and he had seen some of what I had written. I'm not saying he copied everything from me, but he understood my talking and he realized what it was about. But the MCP, as a party today, they brought out a manifesto which confused people. And they cannot come up with a manifesto. Someone has the sovereign fund, who understands that? Peter said, in other words, simplify idea. If you're a big party, people will vote for you. But don't bring them things which you want to implement. Common Sanders warning, you implement those when you're in power. Not when you're not, but you cannot tell people. So there are things you don't do. There are things which you do. Chufwa, amalawi amafuna straightforward straightforward thing ineyo ndimanena mawu atatu employment for justice for all, you remember this?
Yes.
Yeah. So I speak on education for. So education for, employment for, justice for. Limene manena. Bas, nikamanga kampeni ani manzi mfundo zazo zitatu zokhazo. Yeah.
Ndani ramana kuti zibane zingono kumalawi kuno zimaziphatikisa dala kuzibane zikulu chifukwa choti anthu ake washota amazoti uku kwauma uku tipite kwa amene ali mbomawa kuti atizipeza kukashuga.
I think there's a misunderstanding.
There's a misunderstanding.
There's no
but the MCP that you joined was the MCP that was in power. Would you join MCP if it was out of power?
I'm still MCP now.
You're still MCP now, but you joined prior to them being ousted from power.
I not just MCP because I was eating there. No. I joined MCP because I respected Chakwera. I did not want to go on a podium and talk about my president who was looking after those because my weaknesses are not ambitious. And on top, my weaknesses are Chakwera not ambitious. He would take time to make decisions. At the same time, he didn't even know how to solve things which are complicated. And he was trusting too many people who really were misleading him. We all knew that. Now, some of us was aware.
Yeah.
Papodi tikanakhanga china chilima kukamba zinthu zosalemekeza akuluakulu. So we decided kuti ife tilemekeza akuluakulu tisakambe chifukwa tikakamba emotional itipeza tikamba zinthu will burn bridges mama tikhaenda Malawi chifukwa there are people who are passionate MCP, they can kill for the party. There are people who are passionate for DPP, they can kill for the party. So you as a politician, you want all those to be your people. You don't want to divide people and come yourself kuti uzienda mwacheucheo kapena uthamangisidwa pamene wabwera because people are emotionally charged because you have said the wrong thing. So in politics you want to bring people together as Umos party, which is my ideology. It will never change.
Yes.
But Umos party cannot take me to power. It's not possible because there's no revolution in Malawi. If there was a revolution, if people were demonstrating, it would happen. Remember in Senegal, Macky Sall, when he was giving power to those two people, those people were in jail. That put them in jail. People were demonstrating everywhere. When they came out, they campaigned and they won. And if Chilima was put in jail, I'm sure people would have demonstrated. And because of that, the government would have been pushed to release him and he would have won. But anyway, that's another hindsight of what we think. You have to create a reason for people to change their mindset from the leader to somebody new. And that is not easy. So you cannot be starting a new party today and expect it to win. No way. And you will never get an MP to stand for you. You never get a councillor to stand for you. You never have enough resources because people are not going to volunteer their money for something they cannot win.
Don't you think it's a matter of lacking strategy? Because Bingu anachoka ku UDF kujangamisa DPP. Aibanga sustain DPP mpaka na ndino ilibana.
You don't understand. Bingu started with UP.
Yeah, he started with UP in 1999
and he did exactly what I'm doing now. He left. But me, I did not go there for convention.
Yes.
Bing went at the convention.
Yes.
And they chose him at convention. Me, I never went there as a convention. But he, being a professor like myself, he had understood that his body would not help him. Koma yeye ana relationship in Ndani, ndi Bakiri. Because don't forget that he was the Secretary General of Commerce. Yes. And Bakiri had a problem. He could not find a person, also had Madea according to him, in his party.
Yeah.
So because he had Madea everywhere, he wanted 30 million Akanika. The party has gone, life has gone. So out of all the Madeiras he had, he didn't want. So he brought somebody who he thought was better. Yeah. So Bing was coaxed, and Bakiri campaigned for him. Without that, he was getting one. I was even getting more votes when Bing was actually on his own when I was doing my most part. He was getting 1-0-2. Exactly how I was getting. Him went that way. Me, I'm not doing that way. Because I just want to join a party. When they've got a convention 2030, hopefully, because I'm part of that party from the beginning.
Yes.
A convention, a campaign, we do whatever they do in convention. Maybe they will choose me. And if they do choose me, fine. If they don't choose me, I'll stand as MP and see the possibility of becoming in parliament and then become somebody else. But that is political game and calculation.
Yes. So, Chisi, hypothetically speaking, if someone as vibrant, let's say, let's not mention names, but if someone vibrant comes and rejuvenates umodzi party chipandi chapizoti chajaka nditu chakhala chipandi cha mphamvu kumalawi kunoko, would you be comfortable run against umodzi party or muthu zasintha mawanga kuti iya chipandi chinayambisa ndine ndibwerereso kumene?
Panopo the person running it Kawamba is always on the press. Kamba is always on the press.
Yes, absolutely.
So he has got potential to do it. I am not involved in that party.
Are you proud of the leadership at Umozi?
I don't know their party. I told you, the moment I was leaving, I said I don't know anything about Umozi's party. I'm MCP. Whatever they're doing, that's their business, not mine. So if they rejuvenate themselves, good luck to them. If they can win, good luck to them. But as far as I know, from my own analysis, I don't think so. Because to get resources to do those things is not possible.
Okay, koma ku MCP zikuyenderani bwanji? Kumene kumukhalisana bwanji ndi anthu?
MCP is fine. You know, it's a peaceful party, and it's a party which has got a focus, and the party which is strategizing for 2030. And me, I'm very sure that come 2030, MCP will come back to power, but with new faces.
Are you sure about that?
It has to, because it cannot have the same faces in terms of leadership, because those faces have proved that people don't want them. So we as a party people will sit down and strategize. You don't be surprised that one day you are saying Pulofesa Chisi is Secretary General of MCP. So don't be surprised, because they need new blood and they need new ideas, and the ideas which they were there. I mean, ideas akanika. That's why we're not in power. It's sad that we're not in power. Hopefully we'll get there.
So are you still ambitious for the presidency?
Me, I'm very ambitious. To start a party's ambition. To become a professor in the university's ambition.
Yes.
To become a professor. Me, I'm very... The first Malawian dean is me. The first head of department for College of Medicine, me. So me, I'm very ambitious, my friend. Ineo, nizasi am ambition talo wabasi. Kumangadi kupuma ambition na president kana obe koma. Vie kuimeneza ntengela kusidukiziwa. Because anu ngata kufuna kunikale president. With the time, they would no matter how old I get, even if I get to 90, I'll never stop, because I want primary school, secondary school, take it. That's my ambition. If somebody can do it before me, fine. I'll accept it.
So mutakhala zaka zambiri muchita Ndale ku Malawi kuno, komanso I believe kuti at a distance you were following politics ya ku Malawi, ngakhale munali ku academia kuja kuti munali busy kuphunzitsa ana chani ku Ndale be munali kuphunzitsa kuyambira pakale. Zimaoneka ngati kuti ku Malawi kunoko when we move 5 steps ahead zimazikhangani ngati kuzatenga small step ena 10 kubwerera mbuyo. What is really the problem in Malawi? Kuti ngati kuti progress imazativutirako pang'ono. Mukuona tivuto ndi chani Chisi?
Situkuziwa what economics is. Situkuziwa kuti what development is. Situkuziwa kuti what is the role of citizenry in our society. Yeah. And we have not created conducive environment. Yeah, good art having exposed into different way encourage. You know, we have got to bring each other down syndrome. Enemy. It's such a thing. That is coming from primary school, secondary school. So, and the policies which we follow are these two policies which are primitive in nature. And by this I'm saying, we would rather keep people poor, give them fertilizer, and clap hands, and then feed them when it matters. So we give them fertilizer, politically, that they're happy. They farm, they have no input, they have no money, so they sell everything. When they get hungry, then we give them food. And that politically makes sense. We keep people in perpetual poverty.
Yes.
We have got Bunda College of Agriculture. Bunda graduates have no jobs.
Yeah.
College of Medicine, Kuhes has doctors. Doctors have got jobs. They're all degrees. What is that? When Kuhes people graduate, they go to hospitals. Immediately in hospitals. Bunda, they have no land. So they cannot farm. So here are the people who have got all the expertise, soil science, crop science, animal husbandry. They graduate, they have no cow. They graduate, they have no land. So you expect to do food security. I mean, at the end you have got your villagers, and then they cannot do anything because the chief said, "This is my land," and you cannot do anything because of cultural. We have come up with a good idea, a very good idea. You go to the village and ask him mafumu ndi anthu awo amayi anabanda marawa amene mkulima ndi ati akuwuzani marawa tikulima ndi awa. Okay, ma hectares angati 10 hectares fine, but 10 hectares apa mukalima ndi khasu lanulo fete zakupasani mabagi mnati matenga mabagi angati ine matenga mabagi 20 anama ena 40. Okay, you write that down. So you go the whole village.
Yes.
Okay, then you go to the chief afumu, we are bringing a Bunda graduate here. Not coming from Ruvidongwe Kapena station where you graduate the Bunda, will tell you your village is so and so. You go there with your people, with your mafumu. You start farming using tractor and antuo. When you harvest, you give them what they were earning when they were doing it on their own. You give them what they were earning when they were doing their own. the excess is now yours. That excess you pay Malone na boma. That excess you get, because if you cannot make money, we'll give you a salary. But eventually we'll let you be free to manage yourself. Then you now you try this one. Mukakula chimanga chanu chifeto za chimanga, you give them a bag out. Akagulisa kaya kusa kwa inuyo. It's okay, because you can sell them back to me. They will sell them back to you. You create now a meeting system there. You have started now grain and meeting kumuzu kumweko. Then you are exporting or you are selling produce because you are clever. If you not, you don't want to do that. After you have harvested, you till the land again, you grow batata because you know what it means. So as soon as the rain stop, you go from batata, and you harvest them, you go into chips. After that, you go back to maize because you are being given maize. You go to Chikwawa, you are animal husbandry, yes. And handing ngombe zao zingati, apapa, zochuluka bwanji, milk production, whatever. They train them. You say ngombe zanu tizigura tu. Kama tipeleka wanani? Kwa mtu wakagacha. Ziyangana from now on. The partnership, shares, government. The government guy there who is a Bunda graduate and person shito, azipanga process machizi, chan. We can do it. Because if quite many people go to hospitals where Bunda graduates not in the land. And if you are worrying about food security, that's the best way to do it. So that village now will be given targets. I told you already. Yes. Foreign officers are there. So they will sit with the people under Minister of Agriculture to sort out the problem people have. Housing will come. Say, chaka chata, takita na vutika kuenda kuchifanya nyumba yanuyo. Niye chaka chino tukumangana nyumba apa pamoja na zanu kuti maro sewo. Tilibe takita mosa vuta. Whatever it is you get. So you go to Bwanji there. Mango Bwanji Valley, desert Bwanji Valley, yes. And you do their serious farming of this kind with a Bunda graduate and you're producing rice. Even if you go to Maskima Menakupangao with a Bunda graduate as manager of that, but under employment in the village with the chiefs and he gets paid. Come on, what do you think this will happen in 5 years? What do you think will happen in Malawi in 5 years? Anyway.
So I think we have exhausted talking about John Chisi, the politician. Now let us talk about John Chisi, the professor in medicine. Iniyonga the professor wa zachipatala kapena za umoyo. Ndinokhutira ndi momwe boma la Malawi limachitira pa nkhani za umoyo.
I think question is sifu bwino yayi. You are what you are and what you know. Anthu aja ngada kupanga produce what they are producing. Zatengera ife amenda produce. And attitude I feel kwa natu. You know what's happening in this country? When I was in 10, Tango says I invest.
Yeah.
I was a king. I was putting nice house area 14. Kama ya boma mazandinga kupita kama send hospital kana patient.
Yeah.
I would do my operations. What issues obviously my HIV and nalikuya matawi meneyo. Magaza naluvuta because we didn't have a screening system, but it's okay. It was nice. Now the kids get educated, no job. And they're increasing the intake. Commander Minari Chito na pass. So when you are using nepotistic ideas, by creating by PS massive server, those are guys are that's what happens. Because ideally,
yeah,
from the village of Malawi to the top of Malawi, there should be a doctor there at this particular point. Now I'll tell you what I would do. Now we are echakwera kuna lini fet? Nifi na mapanga nimepeleka ngongole. Ngongole mapeleka wanda kwa mbili kwa limit. Okay. So, you take specialists.
Yeah.
Who are unemployed or they are really struggling. You tell them pangani private practice as specialists in the whole of Malawi.
Yes.
So you say Musanje there should be so many and doctors, they are still unemployed. The whole country, you give them Ngongori and NIF. You say, this we are going to give you, I don't know, so many millions for you to start doing private practice. Yes. So that you have got the starter capital, mugure equipment from NIF. But we will make sure that every person is on Mazim who is a civil servant. So they will come to see you under Mazim. The more people you see, the more Mazim gives you money. And the other schemes. And then you have to employ the young people who are graduating if the government cannot absorb them. And some of the conditions. So each and every consultant should have at least 2 young people. So if you have got 6 consultants, That means you have got 12 young people who are working with you, supervised by you, but also being managed by you. You will pay in 30 years. Because we want you to be happy. Pangono. We'll be deducting 10,000 kwacha, 20,000 kwacha until 30 years. You are making this money from Mazim, and your money, Tengan Masari, Mwagure equipment. But always remember to deposit this much in this account so that in 30 years' time, even if you retire, continue for that clinic with anybody you employ in 30 years. Number this is Muzidia. Koma Musaye what is.
Boma litakhala kusankhanira kukhala nduna ya zaumoyo, for example.
I don't think I would want to be nduna zaumoyo as the current situation is. Chifukwa ineyo ndikufuna zinthu zitatu. One, maternity facilities are maternity facilities. I want kidney transplant to be done in Malawi. I want liver transplant to be done in Malawi. So, Kamusent Hospital, Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Mzuzu Hospital, and Zombe Hospital, they become training institutions where specialists procedures are done. Okay? So, if you want a kidney transplant, you go to Zomba. If you want to go liver transplant, you go to Blantyre. If you want to have transplant chiyani transplant anything which is beyond my scope okay, each and every this hospital should have the four consultants required: OBGYN, obs and gyne, pediatrics, medicine, internal medicine, as well as surgery. There should be at least 2 of each or 3 of each in every this hospital. Nobody refers to send the hospital. You do everything there. Okay, for training of doctors plus special things, bone marrow transplant, things like that. That's what I'd want. This is happening because of structural problems. No hospital should be keeping Mankwara. Wherever there's a hospital, put a private pharmacy there. Make a contract with the private pharmacy where people go get drugs, but they get paid by government. Don't worry about buying Mankwara. Let the pharmacists buy their own Mankwara. Ngatakuba nizawo sikukuzani. Koma inu muzongo ndira biru ya pamwezi yakuti anthawa to contract that. Whatever you are writing, prescription, you can do 3 things. Your patient, your pharmacist, and your doctor. When government is going to pay drama, I take my prescription, my doctor, and the code yao. As one guy, is this was written by a doctor? Yes. Is it code in doctor? Doctor prescription now, then they will do. So there will be no stealing because people.
But central medical stores will still be there.
No, you don't need it. You just need some interesting guys who are pharmacists who can supply government. Near government, not that they should be government, but they should be near. You have got pharmacy assistants now. You have got pharmacists. They need to make money privately. Doctors are making money privately. Pharmacists are not making. That's why they are stealing. So, hospital things are very technical. You need support systems. So you need to have pharmacy production. You need the people to be making manufacturing of drugs. You need people to be able to repair equipment. You need people to form reagents. So we need now entrepreneurs in Malawi, or at least people from Rwanda and elsewhere who can create the systems. Because at the moment everything is imported because the entrepreneurs have not seen how they can make money within the hospital setting. So me, I would also encourage, that's why I said 3 things. I would encourage people, entrepreneurs, let's say Philips company or Siemens company, to establish themselves in Malawi, and those people who make X-rays to be here, so that we can actually buy everything from them, and then we don't have to use forex, and then dispute any hospital, so that if the hospitals are full, at the moment even a syringe, you have to get in China. Yet we make plastic things, and they think it's just a plastic, but it's volumes and the manufacturing quality which you need, and even if drips, you import them. And yet these are just water with the addition of some of the normal nutrients which you require, the sodium and the calcium and the potassium and whatever, which they can be done. But if you don't create industrialized fruits, or you don't industrialize creating of equipment which is required in the lab, you never have a hospital, because the hospital is basically a scientific place where scientists think about things, check them, experiment on things, and manage. So you don't have all that. So when somebody is sick, what is it? The symptoms could be anything.
Yeah.
They could be malaria, they could be Ebola, they could be COVID. How do you know? It's by testing. So if you don't have equipment, or at least your reagents are finishing because there's no one who can supply them when you want. Yeah. Europeans have managed to do good hospitals because they have the chemicals, the equipment, they created all these ultrasounds. They understood the principle. They gave us hospitals, but they didn't give us the technical know-how and the industrialization we don't have. So it's very difficult to run a hospital because of consumables.
So last question. Suppose the incumbent president, Professor Thabita Mutharika, appoints you in any government or governmental position. Would you still maintain your allegiance to the Malawi Congress Party, or you'll just say, bingo, this is it?
So why would the president appoint me?
Because you're capable. Aren't you capable?
Aha. Is he appointing me because I'm a politician of MCP or because of my capabilities?
But you are the fact that you're in politics has given you visibility.
Yeah. So if he is going to go crossover parties, what does that mean?
It means you are capable.
So why should I refuse my country when he wants me to go for service?
But the question is, are you going to maintain your allegiance to the Malawi Congress Party?
The president has not chosen me as the Malawi Congress Party, he has chosen me as John Chisi. The same way as you can be chosen to be a police officer and we should be in a political system. It doesn't matter. You see, if the country sees my potential and they think I can be of service to my nation, who am I to say no? The whole idea is to serve my nation. So if they say you should be, it doesn't matter the allegiance. All of us at one point were MCP, by the way. We just came from MCP, it was one party system. So I don't understand what you're talking about.
Kama tiseke model ajisi inu democracy makusangalasa ani kapena mono tipena pake kuti amaza democracy ezi bola tukana nkha kwani party system konkuja president akangonena chakuti tiye ndipange tonse tipange
futonera kuti sanje anthu
sanje mwailimbikira
anthu akamona president how many times zikamuzwa arrest people amene aukira boma upando amangira shokira boma upando how many were they I mean how many did the big put because of treason? You see, you have to understand that democracy saves anthu okira maupando chacha they cannot be there because they are given a platform to form their own party and speak against the president. If there's one party state and I speak like what I've said, I'm undermining the president. And who am I telling the people about policy? So it's good that we have got a party system, owina and worker amena akama president responsibility MCP kapena DP to safe tisipanga mapokoso omwewo kuti Malawi aone kufundo zina osati kuti kuita.
Professor Chisi, it's been a pleasure having you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Kumbukirani kupanga subscribe to our YouTube channel Malawi News Daily Updates kuti nkhani zochitika ku Malawi sema kuphonyeni inyo mzikhala munthu kambirira kumva kamene akuonera nkhani zimenezi.